How crucial is customs clearance for imported goods in India, you may wonder? Well, it's not just about getting the goods across the border. It's a complex legal process outlined in Section 47 of the Customs Act, 1962. Today, we're going to delve into this pivotal piece of legislation, shedding light on the intricacies of customs clearance in India. Imagine a shipment of goods arriving at a customs station in India. What happens next is a carefully orchestrated ballet of procedures detailed in Section 47. The first step in this process is the assessment of duty. A proper officer is in charge of this task, determining the duty payable on the imported goods. This calculation is dependent on the goods' classification, their valuation, and any relevant exemptions or concessions. Once the duty is assessed, the importer or an authorized person is required to pay the determined amount. This payment unlocks the next phase of the process, entry for home consumption. With the duty paid, the goods are now granted permission to enter the domestic market, whether for use or sale. However, this process isn't just about paying the duties. The importer also needs to meet certain documentation and procedural requirements for the clearance of goods for home consumption. These can range from providing invoices and packing lists to meeting specific labeling requirements. This brings us to a crucial aspect of Section 47, offenses and penalties. This section not only outlines the procedure for customs clearance, but it also stipulates the consequences for not adhering to these requirements. Violations can lead to significant penalties, emphasizing the importance of compliance in this process. To sum it all up, Section 47 of the Customs Act, 1962, is a cornerstone in the customs clearance process for imported goods in India. It outlines the steps necessary for the lawful entry of goods into the domestic market, from the assessment and payment of duties to compliance with documentation and procedural requirements. It also details penalties for non-compliance, ensuring that the process is carried out legally and correctly. Through this video, we've explored the intricacies of customs clearance in India, focusing on the critical role of Section 47. We've seen how it guides the process, how it ensures compliance, and how it safeguards against violations. It's not just about moving goods across the border, it's about maintaining the integrity of the domestic market and ensuring a fair and lawful process for all involved. So, the next time you think about customs clearance, remember the pivotal role of Section 47. It's the unseen conductor orchestrating the symphony of procedures that allow imported goods to legally enter the Indian market.